So this video is 5 types of ponds that you can build this summer. Most people don't realise how many options there actually are. I'm going to show you 5 different water features depending on how much space and your budgets. So option number 1 is a small patio pond or a bird bath. This is a micro water feature designed for very small spaces. As you can see, it can be very, very small, very intricate. This is a bowl overflowing with joy. You've got a basin underneath, and essentially it's a case of birds can come down. You can have a little few water plants in there. You could have a little couple of water lilies, but this is essentially a bird bath or a little patio pond. It's a micro water feature. So this is the spillway bowl and basin. This is the next step up from the bird bath micro water feature. This is a great water feature next to a patio or in a sun trap. This has got a modern design look. We've got multiple different colors, and this is very easy to maintain. Very safe, there's no exposed sort of like pond. Yes, kids can play, it could be a splash pad, and if you want to turn it off and drain it down, all of the water can go under the ground. So it's really, really safe, friendly, easy to install, very, very compact, lovely next to a sun trap or a courtyard. So number 3 is a small wildlife pond. This is where your garden becomes alive. What you've got here is you've got a real natural look. It's a real low-tech pond, fully filtered by the plants, the rocks and the gravel. This is ideal for frogs. There's tadpoles in here, newts, frogs, and it's a perfect entry level to a bigger natural pond in your garden. So what we've got here behind me is we've got a proper fish pond. This needs proper filtration, proper water movement, a higher investment. This is where we see most of our problems. Most people underestimate what actually you need to have the clear water and the clarity of a fish pond. So this is your full ecosystem. This is a premium look, completely natural edging. This is the one that most people try and build themselves. It's literally so low maintenance that when you get it right, it's easier than maintaining a lawn. So this is less maintenance than a lawn. The main maintenance is around the edge, pulling out the weeds. So this particular pond works with Mother Nature rather than against it. This one's number 5, the full ecosystem pond. So most people fit between option 2 and option 4. It's not the smallest, it's not the biggest, it's somewhere that fits their space and their budget. If you want help choosing the right one, we've got lots of kits and guidance on each one of these. If you go over to the pond prescription page on waterfeature.shop, we'll be glad to help you. My name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy, create and restore ponds and water features. Till next time, see you in another video.